Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the Natural Tinky here. So as you can see on the left, if you want to see how I went from that to bam on the right with the curly wig, stay tuned. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and let's get into this. Okay, so right here, basically I'm just showing you throughout the video, a little bit of video, I'm just going to be braiding my hair back the best way I can as possible, trying to get the locks flat as possible, of course, because you don't want a lot of bulkiness. And let's keep going into it until we put, the stocking cap on, and then the wig, and then bam, bada, bam, bada, bam, bada, boom. Let's go get it. All right, so here I am threading and putting together the locks so they're not just hanging down, of course. Getting them even more flat as possible, because that's what you want to do. Oh yeah, disclaimer, I'm supposed to do my straight wig. However, I can't wear that wig anymore. Gotta get more. So I did the curly, and Shannon's in the background because he want to be included. That's my son. But yeah, stay tuned for the finished look, guys. So right here, I am simply shifting the wig, seeing if I want to do the middle part or the side part, because you can wear this wig two different ways, which I do love. I don't remember where I did order this wig from, and that's bad, or I would leave in the description below. I had it for almost 2 years now. However, in the next clip you will see me wow, I cannot think, but you will see me trim the sides to fit my face more.
King, you know it. King already, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. My body so got a king body. Body gon' shine, bling, bling body. Calling all the shots, bring body. Crown on your head, got a king body. Don't live a king, you know it. King already, my baby, you know it. Top everything, you know it. King already, you know it. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already. Shine already, it's time already.